It's so boring without Yeye around. I wish he wasn't sick. But oh man, I'm so bored too. I wish something interesting could happen around here. Holy! Aw, if it isn't the cute little baby chick. Where's your mama? Anyway, my friend is kinda sick at the moment, so do you want to spend some time together in the meantime?
Yes.
Holy crap, it talks! Actually, kicking him to the sky wasn't such a good idea. So, do you have a name? How about Sir Clucks-a-lot? I bet that suits you very well. How about we get you something to eat? So, did you like that? Anyway, I got a really cool place where you can actually get some real food. Come on. So, welcome to the pizzeria. Here you'll be able to get some delicious pizza. You just gotta ring this thing over here and then you'll just get your order ready. Okay, here's your pizza. How about we go ahead and play outside? Alright, I got like this red ball over here, so let's play with this. What the? I'm probably just gonna get out of here.